Congratulations on completing the course. I hope you have learned a lot of new things in this course. I would also recommend you to read more about AR Foundation from Unity manuals. This is the main page to start your journey to read more about AR Foundation documentation. Whenever we touch new topic in the course, you should also read more about that from the Unity documentation. And this is the GitHub repository of the AR Foundation samples. It's a very useful repository to learn more about AR Foundation. You can download the repository and explore the different examples available in this project. In this project, each example have its own scene. The best way is to create and explore the build first, and then explore the code side of the example. Even after completing the course, if you have any question regarding any lecture, I would love to answer those questions, and I will be available for your full support. It's very important for any project that we should plan the project before starting the development. When you are working on a bigger and complex project, to reduce the complexity and development pressure, it's better to divide the project into sub-problems and then make a sequence of sub-problems and complete all the sub-problems in steps one by one. We have started the course from basics of Unity and what is AR. Then we have seen the AR libraries available for Unity and started utilizing the AR features and developing our game. And we have completed the whole game in a sequence of steps. And we added a sounds in the game. Sounds plays a very important role in any game. And for the revenue generation, we have monetized our game using the Unity ads. And then we saw how we can publish our application to the app stores. Next, I will suggest to use the Unity documentation. You can find everything in the documentation in more detail. This course is completed here, but I will create a new section named as bonus lectures, and I will try my best to upload new bonus lectures there. Be creative and keep learning new things in your life. And at the end, thank you so much for joining this course and supporting me. If this course has added a value in your knowledge in any way, then please rate this course and leave a comment. And now it's time to keep learning and making your own idea into reality. And I will be hoping to see you in my next course.